In this video, I'm sharing 16 free smooth text animations, and I'll also show you how to use them. These text animations come in the MOGRT format, so you can use them in both Premiere Pro and After Effects. This title animations pack is part of my ultimate title animations pack, which contains over 100 high-quality, trendy title animations. So, if you want to save a ton of editing time, get my ultimate title animation pack. The link is mentioned in the description below. Once you download the pack, it will come as a zip file. So, first extract it. Inside, you'll get 16 MOGRT files. These can be used on both Mac and Windows. Here, I'm in Premiere Pro. First, you need to open the Essential Graphics panel. If this window is not visible, go to the top menu, click on Window, and then enable Essential Graphics. Once you enable it, you will see a small plus icon here. Click on it and locate the folder where you saved your sample pack. Select that folder, make sure you select the entire folder, and then click on Select Folder. After that, it will appear in your local templates. Here you can see all the text presets. Now simply drag and drop the preset onto your timeline. As you can see, the text preset is now applied. To edit it, just select it and go to the Properties panel. Here, you can change whatever wording you want. You can also adjust colors, background, and any other settings you need. Even the text color can be changed, and you can control the animation from here as well. You can also try the other presets to see how they look. Everything is easily customizable from this same panel, including font size, and colors. This title animations pack is part of my ultimate title animations pack, which contains over 100 high-quality, trendy title animations. And just like sample pack, these are also simply drag and drop processes. You can easily drop them onto your timeline and then make any changes you want depending on your project needs. Right now, it's also available on my store with a 50% discount, so make sure you definitely give it a try at least once. The link is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing resources and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.